Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 16, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did gap lower today and then kind of flatlined. It was overall a fairly quiet day, but we did finish lower after those unfortunate attacks on those oil processing plants in Saudi Arabia over the weekend. That sort of brought back the whole fear over slowing economic growth. So let's have a look at the charts. The Dow was lower by 142 points. More importantly, put in a lower pivot high here. Now that sets up the potential for a topping head and shoulders pattern. The S&P 500, same thing, down 9.5, confirming a lower pivot high. So when you have shoulder, head, shoulder, you look at the lowest point between the two shoulders, which comes in down here near 2730, and that is the crucial level. If we get below that, that confirms it, and we go much, much lower. The Nasdaq 100 was lower by 23, also putting in that lower pivot high, while the Russell 2000, which has been gaining recently, did gain another 6.5 points. Now, this one has not confirmed that pivot yet, but is facing overhead resistance at the 1600 level. The bond market today edging higher, and the yield on the 10-year note is at 1.843%. Crude obviously spiked big time. Actually, had the biggest move we've seen so far, but did close slightly off its highs, up almost $7 or almost 13% today, and breaking out of this range, this recent range. So we could see much higher prices there coming up in the next little while. Gold was also up $7.10, or about half a percentage point. This despite a very strong move in the US dollar as well. So again, we did put in that lower pivot high. That creates that shoulder, head, shoulder potential position here. It's going to get really interesting as we pull back closer to this 20. Are we going to hold, or are we going to break through, actually confirming that topping pattern? As you know, later this week, we do have the FOMC's decision on interest rates, so that'll be interesting. Please click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any future videos. And if you're really enjoying them, please share with your friends. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.